Hi there everybody. On today's video I have this Chrysler PT Cruiser. This is a 2002 and I'm going to be changing the pollen filter. That's the part number there, the Bosch M2184. This is a right-hand drive here in the UK. So if you look at the instructions that come in the box, it kind of shows you that the filter is on the driver side here, but it's on the passenger side on these pictures. But because we have a right-hand drive, our passenger side, it's on the right here. So our pollen filter will be just on the opposite side of these pictures, where our tank for the washer fluid goes. And basically what we need to do is we need to take this cover out to get access. There's these little plastic Phillips screws that you undo the middle and then you pull the clip out. Now sometimes you undo the center bit, but it doesn't come out. You just need to put something in between and push it up a little bit, and that's going to help it to come up. So we have 4 of those, and then hopefully we should be able to lift this cover up and take it out. Because also on this car we have that on the way, which on the other on the picture you haven't got that either. It's just happens to be on this side. Now let's get this out for a minute and then we can take this out, hopefully. Okay, so I'm just trying to take this out basically. May help have the wiper blade on top. Okay, let's put this back on. So you just need to manipulate it out, getting your wiper blade up a little bit here, and that should help this come out. Now that's where the pollen is. You can just see it already, but we need to move this out of the way a little bit to get to it. So we have 2 10mm bolts, and those 10mm bolts are also shown in here, these 2, and also here the arrow shows you how this has to come up. So the way we took it out, that was okay. Let's try to get this. Not sure I can get the gun in there. Just about. That other one. Okay, there's the 2 bolts. And now we can slide that to one side. And there's the pollen filter there. And it is pretty bad. I'll try to take a little bit of the rubbish out of there. And then we can put our filter in there. You may notice that there's an arrow there, shows you the airflow. I'm not sure the other one had, or maybe it's gone, but so the air, basically the air is coming from outside into there and inside the car, so that's how the arrows are going to go. And this will be a lot easier to do with 2 hands, of course. So I may actually just okay. Just about getting it in there. So just wanted to fit nicely in there. Like so. And then we can refit everything back the way it came out. And as I said, everything will be a lot easier with 2 hands. So that's pretty much it. I don't think I really need to record refitting everything back. The refit is just the opposite of removal. So I hope this video helps, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my new merchandise. Hope everybody's having a nice day. Thank you and bye.